How do you get more free oils and another free car diffuser as a part of your doTERRA LRP order in October? Well, you can learn more about that in today's doTERRA LRP bonus unboxing with Malee and her granddaughter Stella. Okay, yeah, you know what I'm saying? This is part 4 and an additional LRP order that Malee placed to get more freebies. But make sure to stay tuned until the very end and watch parts 1 through 3 for all the other exciting new discoveries. Let's get this party started. Or finished. Well, you know what I mean. Let's go.
We have our doTERRA box. Do you want to help me open it, Stella? Okay. We just got it in the mail. Let's see what we got this month. Oh, let's see. Do you want to unwrap it and see what oils we got? Okay. Let me see what this one is called. Lemon. We got that one for free. Free oil of the month. We use lots of lemon on everything. In the kitchen, in the laundry room. Peppermint. What do we use peppermint for? When we have, when we're hot, or freshen our breath. What else we got? Soap.
Is it open it?
This is, you want to see what the soap looks like?
Who's that?
It's soap for the bathtub. Does that look nice? We'll have to take a bath later. Okay, what else do we have? Enzymes. We take this before we eat to break down our food. This is the holiday gift guide. So excited. November 1st, we get to order all these exclusive holiday products. There's our receipt. Vitamins and minerals. We need this for the whole family. And we use a ton of On Guard hand soap. Don't we? You use this at every sink in the house. The bathrooms, the kitchens. So we use a lot of soap so we can keep our hands clean, right?
Yeah.
Okay, all done with that one.
This one.
Well, okay, let's open our next one.
Jack.
This one's heavy and bigger. I think we're going to need a knife for this one.
No.
It's upside down. They like packed this one in here tight.
Why?
I don't know. We ordered a lot of stuff. Let's see what we got. Wow. What do you do with these?
Pop them.
Pop them.
I want to pop them.
All right.
This one's gonna pop.
We'll pop it with a knife.
Now I want to pop it.
I didn't pop very loud. All right. Let's see what we got. What is this?
Soap.
Soap. This is called body wash.
Yeah.
Shower gel body wash.
Yeah, this is the bath, and that's bubbles.
Bubbles for the bath.
And you wash your body and your hair.
Wash your body and your hair. Cool.
And this is heavy.
More hand soap. Oh my gosh. I think we're going through a lot of hand soap. We got a lot of sinks. This is conditioner. Do you like this conditioner?
No.
It makes your hair soft.
Ooh,
This one's
it's
shampoo.
glitter.
Yeah. Stella says there's glitter in the shampoo. It's very
What's
shiny.
this?
That is for Mimi's face. My eyes, around my eyes. You want to open that one and see what it looks like? It's called Anti-Aging Cream. It makes Mimi look like I'm 20. Ah! There you go. It goes around Mimi's eyes, but you don't need it. You're just little. This is for Mimi's. It's like a little roll-on. You like that? Cool, huh? All right. I think that more soap. We're loading up on all our houses. They need soap in every house. And then more enzymes. Enzymes were 10% off this month, so we ordered one on each order. So we got these extra sales. So are we good to go, Sal?
Take this off. You take that one.
Well, this is our backup. We have one opened already, so we're going to put this in the cupboard and wait until we need it, okay?
Let me open it.
Can you say bye?
No.
Say bye.
No. So excited.
You're so excited. This is a peel. It's not a vitamin. No, don't open all of them because we're going to save these, okay? We got extra. Okay. That's our stash for the month.